Hello everyone, Senior Master Reed here. I wanted to let you guys know and remind you tomorrow, which is Saturday, is Feb Fest 2024, and we have a wide variety of lineup of workshops and activities for everyone. But because of that, we will not have any regularly scheduled classes, okay? So keep that in mind. So in the morning at 10 a.m., we will have a parents coaches class, and we want to invite everyone out to come and participate. That's a great experience and a lot of fun for both parents and kids. At 11 o'clock, our demo team is going to perform. So let's come and watch the PMA Marietta kids do their thing. And they're going to put on a great show for you guys. And then we're going to also teach a kids safe workshop. I myself at 12 o'clock am going to teach a Qigong workshop along with the other instructors at the school and Tai Chi. And so that'll be an excellent experience and opportunity for you guys to come and learn what we do and get some details and some pointers and do some stuff that we don't normally do every day. At 1 o'clock, Sensei John and Sensei David are going to hop on the floor, and they're going to be teaching some Krav Maga, and that's going to be some great stuff. So great self-defense, weapons awareness, and so forth. So we look forward to having you guys. You can sign up on the website, or you can just come on in the building as our students and make it happen. All right, thank you guys. Sri Makasi, aloha, one love.